Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple guide on how to unmute someone's notes on Instagram. If you've ever muted a friend's notes and later realized you'd like to see their updates again, this is exactly how to bring them back to your feed. Instagram notes are those short, temporary messages that appear at the top of your chat list, letting people share quick thoughts, updates, or even favorite songs. Sometimes we mute them to declutter things a bit, but luckily it's just as easy to unmute when you change your mind. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your feed and messages. Once the app is open, go to the profile of the person whose notes you want to unmute. You can do this by searching for their username or tapping their name if you've recently interacted with them. On their profile page, look under their bio and tap the button that says following. This opens a short menu with different options related to how you interact with that account. From here, tap on mute. You'll see a couple of toggles, one for posts, one for stories, and another for notes. To unmute their notes, simply toggle off the option next to notes. Once it's switched off, that person's notes will start appearing again at the top of your chat list, giving you a glimpse of what they share whenever they post an update. And that's all it takes. A few quick taps and you're done. Unmuting someone's notes doesn't send them a notification, so you can adjust this setting privately anytime you like. Now, you'll never miss out on those fun, spontaneous updates from your friends again. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more quick tips like this one. Keeping your Instagram settings up to date is a small step that makes your social experience more personal and enjoyable.